Call him Sahir, Anurag or Prem. Harshit Chopra is right here with us. Welcome to Telebytes, Harshit.
Thank you.
So it's your birthday excitement.
हाँ मतलब what do you say? You're growing old also at the same time. Yeah, but I'm still excited.
Okay, you have been gayab from the scene. Where are you? What are you exactly doing?
I am celebrating my birthday and then I'll get back to my work. And I don't know when will I start working actually.
Okay, fans are missing you around. So what do you have to say?
I'm sure they'll want to see me in something which is worthy of, मतलब which is nice. So I'm sure they'll understand कि कुछ अच्छा नहीं होगा इसलिए नहीं कर रहा है.
Okay, so what are the plans for this year's birthday?
Nothing. I'll celebrate my birthday and then again I'll get gayab and then come back when I'm supposed to come back.
Okay.
That I don't know when.
Okay, any gifts, any plans from the family that is going to happen?
My sister is out. She will obviously. मतलब I'm sure she's gone to buy stuff and all of that. मुझे बोल के गई है कि काम से गई है, but मुझे पता है हर साल का है. Then she'll come back. Then my other sister is there, and I think दोनों मिलके केक बनाएंगे. And because दो लोग हैं इसलिए दो केक बनेंगे क्योंकि दोनों को अलग अलग एक केक बनाना है. So हाँ, there will be a lot of.
Okay, so here's a cake from your fan club, Harshit Chopra fan club. How did you like the cake?
I love it. I mean, sweet. And me and cake. मतलब I think I generally just like anything which is sweet. But this is lovely. It's looking also very sweet.
Okay, to the fan club, anything?
Thank you very much. And this year I had no idea whether I'll be celebrating my birthday with any of the media or not. But yes, I am.
Okay, so here's a cute angry bird candle for you. What do you have to say about this?
Why Angry Bird? It's for me or it's for Sahir?
I don't know.
It's green and yellow. It cannot be for Sahir. It's for me only. But why Angry Bird? Okay, because it's a candle. I'm supposed to light a candle.
Okay.
चलो. ये रहा Angry Bird जो कि अभी और angry होने वाला है with fire.
Okay, so what wish this year would you ask for?
What do I say? I can't say, right? I can't tell you what my wish is because then it might not come true. I will rather have the chance of not sharing it and it coming true, right?
Okay, so a silent wish will do?
Yes. When I tried to ask, I just realized that God has been really kind, people have been really kind, and I just wish that they are kind to me.
Let's blow the candle.
Yep.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Harshad. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. And let's cut the cake. The only people here. I'm cool. And I always do this. I always try to feed them and then eat myself. I wish it could go. It doesn't. That's why I can't let it go. Waste it. Happy birthday to me. Nahi, thank you.
So as you all know, birthdays are incomplete without gifts, and we have a few gifts for Harshad. Harshad, what do you have to say? Excited for the gifts?
Yeah, I think पता नहीं कौन सा वो इंसान होगा जो गिफ्ट्स को लेके एक्साइटेड नहीं होगा. Obviously I am. There's this. What is there? There's so much.
Okay. So for the gifts, you have to stay tuned to Telebytes. In the next segment, you'll see Harshad opening the gifts. Till
Best
then,
of luck. That's how they do it. Best of luck.
okay. Till then, what do you have to say to the fans?
What do I say? I'm so sorry. I wish they could just show it right now.
Till then, you stay tuned to Telebytes. This is Aksa Akbani for Telebytes Mumbai.